Hello, everyone. There are moments unintentionally captured so that we can believe they truly exist in life. Today, let's explore those moments together. The speed of this ship makes me feel, oh, so worried. You can only be safe from this dog by climbing over that fence. With the working process of this tool, I believe the job has become much easier. The job has become much easier. These adorable carts are creatively designed to attract customers' attention and charm them. What's better than skydiving at night to admire a bustling city illuminated by lights and captivated by its allure? It's time for us to exercise to improve our health. Your expression is really a bit surprised. There's something down there and it's huge. It turns out to be a very large fish trying to hit my boat. Some tsunamis look thrilling and terrifying when the waves unleash powerful blows. Don't tell me you regret living too close to these beautiful fountains. You can see that the water, the water level has been affected by flooding, and even the iron bridge is struggling to withstand such a fierce flow. The bridge seems about to break. I feel like it could collapse at any moment. The dome opposite the glacier in Iceland, they couldn't imagine what they were about to witness when a massive block, at least 1,600 feet wide, collapsed right before their astonished eyes. Welcoming the moments when lightning strikes the ground and branches out. It always follows the path of least resistance, which is why it often strikes telephone poles and streetlights. However, you know that lightning doesn't always hit the tallest objects. If it were you, could you stay calm and capture such a moment? What would happen if it occurred on land? Share your thoughts in the comments so we can continue the discussion. Oh, nature has played a trick on tourists in this case. Now they have no choice but to change their original plans for this trip. It must be incredibly difficult. This moment when the rock slide rushed down the slope at a spectacular speed. And the crazy thing is, it couldn't shake or affect the wooden bridge. An interesting moment captured by tourists: the moving artificial sun. Anything can happen when you meet someone just like you on a narrow path. The spectacular fireworks display in San Diego truly created a chilling moment. What's happening? Driving down the road and suddenly a tree falls on the car, breaking the windshield. Two men were riding bicycles, and when they accidentally entered a tunnel, they encountered something that made them run away immediately. Oh my God, a train! Luckily, they ran out just in time. This scene is probably all too familiar in Russia. If you're thinking about building a house near the beach, you might want to reconsider. The hailstorm in Texas caught the locals by surprise. It's the first time they've seen hail that big. What do you think about the video? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.